Welcome everyone to this daily update from Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. Like and subscribe and comment below your thoughts. So let's go ahead from a monthly perspective. Monthly, we can see that gold now has been pushing up. We are in a high fear of market, so I anticipate gold to continue close like this. If we close like this, we will potentially push up the next month and tap these levels. Weekly time frame is moving back down. On the weekly time frame, we have this closure, bearish closure, and now we're filling almost this wick. So we can potentially see a bigger correction coming for gold before we move up, but we have to be aware that we would prefer to close above 1956. And let's go ahead on a daily and let's clean these drawings. We have a support on a daily right over here, we have a resistance right over here, and next most recent support is right over here on a daily time frame. If we break that, we can come till here and overall till this level. So we have these levels of area of interest. We break these low on a daily, we can continue and tap 1900. From a 4-hour perspective, 4-hour is making higher high, higher lows. This is equal highs, but we're not breaking. As long as we don't break this, we need just to look for buys because this is currently in a bullish trend. Monday pushed a bit lower, tapped this level right over here, and now we're moving back up again. Once we flip on the 4-hour time frame, we come up, we flip, we can tap these levels. That's something that I'm gonna look for. For sells, we should be looking for sells potentially below 1937. Anything above that, it's too bad. Unless we come here, we confirm some sort of resistance, we break the lows, and then we move to a downside. Other than that, I don't see anything coming, especially after this 2-hour candle closure. Once we flip, I think we will be able to continue till this level of interest to the upside. However, we have a level here which we need to be respecting, and this level right over here, we flip, we break the highs, we continue. We can find also resistance here, so we should not enter before the flip. One hour is the same, so yeah, that's about it for gold, I would say. Gold is very clean today. We need a closure, a flip above for buys, a resistance to be formed, a wick to be formed here, and then we can take sells to the downside. But these are very high risky sells, like super risky sells. Better sells would be below here. We break this level and then we come, we break this, tops we keep here, take profit, we keep here, and that's where our second trade, and overall we can target this level right over here on gold. So we need to be very cautious. Let's go on GJ. GJ monthly is still bearish within that previous month range. Weekly is now flipping bullish on GJ. Created a nice top wick. Daily closed bullish on GJ. We need to be very cautious because we are at a daily resistance. If we flip, we can potentially fill this wick to the left side. Other than that, I don't see anything happening. Like for sells, we need to go to a lower time frame. For sells, if we break below here, makes a lot of sense. Like we have the support formed on the 4-hour, we have a bearish one, so if we start to break down, we have a very nice range of potentially 90, 80, 90 pip to the downside, so we can take advantage of that. If we break above here and close above here, we have a nice range till here to move to the upside. This is also inverted head and shoulder. If we break the neckline, we can tap this level right over here. And let's move to 2 hours bearish, 1 hour is also bearish. We need to be very cautious. We need a clean closure below here to continue to a downside, and yeah, clean closure above here to continue to the upside. If we get a closure back inside the range, we can target these levels just like over here, go back inside the range, we move up, but these are very risky setups. So clean closure below to move to the downside, clean closure above to move to the upside. We are in a range now. We don't want to risk too much within this range. So guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel, and I see you guys on the daily roundup video tonight. Bye bye.